Is the dryer taking forever to dry your clothes? Does your laundry room get hot, humid, or even smell like something is burning? These are symptoms, not just annoyances. They're often signs that your dryer vent is clogged with lint and debris. When airflow is blocked, your dryer can't push hot air out like it should, and that causes longer cycles, higher energy bills, and worse, a serious fire hazard. Homeowners only clean the lint trap, but over time, the lint slips past the trap and clings deep inside the vent line. In South Florida's humid climate, that lint can attract moisture, encourage mold, and stick more tenaciously to the duct walls. As it builds up, airflow gets restricted. That strain heats up your dryer and wastes energy. Here's how we solve the problem the right way. We begin with a visual inspection of both sides of your vent system, both at the dryer and in the exhaust point. Using high-powered vacuums and professional brushes, we remove lint and debris from the entire vent line, not just the surface. After cleaning, we test airflow to make sure the dryer vents properly and runs efficiently. This process restores the proper ventilation so your dryer runs as it was designed to. We don't shortcut safety or skip inspections. Every job we do includes careful prep and protection of your home, a professional grade removal of every inch of buildup, and a post-service performance verification. Other companies might only clear the surface lint, but lint deep inside the vent matters. That's where the real fire risk and inefficiency hide. After professional cleaning, most homeowners notice clothes dry faster, cycles end sooner, and utility usage goes down. Your dryer runs cooler and cleaner, energy bills drop, and most importantly, your home becomes safer. If you're noticing long dry times, excess heat, or burning smells, you don't have to guess. A free inspection will tell you if professional dryer vent cleaning is the right next step.